How to quick pick in Rainbow Six Siege PC. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. So there are multiple variations of peeking in your Rainbow Six Siege. So the first is called the rookie peek. As it sounds, it is very simple. You have to press E for peeking to the right, then press E again to go back behind cover. Same thing for the left side, but you have to use the key Q or the equivalent on consoles. The second peek is called the advanced rookie pick. Additionally to the standard rookie pick, you have to move to the left and right with A and D key. This way you will pick much faster without the risk of exposing yourself. The third is called the fast peek. Just like it sounds. Firstly, you have to start leaning to the left. While you are leaning to the left, you have to press Q again and instantly press E and lean to the right. You will see that in the animation, it is much shorter and the whole peeking procedure is much faster. And the fourth one is the advanced fast peek. This is quite harder than the most of the three that I just mentioned. So what you basically have to do is you have to press Q, E and A, D in a perfectly timed manner. You will need quite a practice to actually master this advanced fast peek. So make sure that you try this while you are death matching or when you are practicing itself in your keyboard. Now the next is called the perfect peek. You have to do the same thing that I mentioned in your advanced fast peek, but in this case you are peeking in an angle. And you will crouch and try to mess with the enemy's crosshair placement. If you peek multiple times, you just keep switching your stance between standing and crouching. The last one is actually called the cancer peek. This is actually perfect to pair up with the perfect peek. So basically what you have to do is you have to run perpendicular right after you do a perfect peek. Then once you run perpendicular, you have to turn 90 degrees to the side and you want to peek and go prone. Do all of this while pre-firing the enemy's position and it is a guaranteed kill. Because A, you are actually confusing your enemies and B, you are attacking and defending at the same time. So cancer peek is actually perfect to get yourself a headshot and also some points. So make sure to go ahead and try out all of this combination and let me know down in the comments. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.